Efficient fast charging. Aergiatech cigarette lighter USB-C charger enables you to charge 3 devices simultaneously at full speed 60 W, 20 W each port. Supports PD3. 0, QC4. 0 plus, QC3. 0 plus, AFC, FCP, PE plus protocols and provides 3x faster charging speed to save you 80% time by charging USB-C smartphones and tablets at the same time. It takes only 35 minutes to charge for iPhone 13 from 0% to 80%. Premium material design. Aergiatech USB-C car charger with metal ABS body resistant scratch perfectly, long-lasting in use and does an excellent job of dissipating heat. The shrapnel contact design ensures the car charger to be plugged in firmly no matter how bumpy the road is. Soft LED indicator helps you to find the ports exactly. All-round protection. Aergiatech USB-C car power adapter is certified with CE, FCC, RoHS, and integrated intelligent protection system that automatically provides over-temperature, over-current, over-charging, over-voltage protection. It's a reliable car charger for your devices. Wide compatibilities. Aergiatech PD car charger works flawlessly with USB-C enabled phones and tablets, including compatible with iPhone 13 13s mini, 13 Pro, 13 Pro Max, 12 12s mini, 12 Pro Max, 11 11ths Pro, 11 Pro Max, SE, by 8 7ths, iPad, Galaxy S21, S20, S20 Plus, S10 Plus, S10e, Note 20, Note 10, Google Pixel 4a, 4XL, 4/3 XL, 3/3 A, 3A XL, earbuds, and more. Ultra compact. Built this iPhone car charger cigarette lighter to keep you unimpeded access to the rest of the dashboard. Top reviews from the United States. Works like a charm. This item is worth every penny. It charges fast like what the seller advertises. I will definitely buy extra ones for my other cars.